off this evening. You all heard the losing West Indies T20 captain, Kieran Pollard, saying people should not chastise the West Indies players because this is only one tournament and they are not bad players, and we must just celebrate the greatness of their careers and nonsense. What errant, unequivocal, and imbecilic gibberish! So according to Skipper Pollard, because Chris Gayle and Dwayne Bravo and Ravi Rampal and Skipper Pollard himself helped us to win 2 World T20 titles from Whoopi Kill Phillip, we must not criticize them for flopping and embarrassing the region here and now. And it's not just Pollard alone we are spouting this nonsense. There are regional experts and administrators who have expressed the same foolful sentiment. These were great pioneers, so don't blame them. Blame the selectors for picking them. The selector them beaten, separate. But don't tell us that big name, big reputation players selected to represent the West Indies run off their mouth before the tournament start, and they go into the big World Cup stage, stink up the place, and a laugh and a grin like it's a send-off party. Them go, and we the fans mustn't say nothing. We must chastise them. So what must do then? What we must do? What we even do then? What we